Gemini. This is a Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Gemini? Kamusta? Happy birthday sa lahat ng mga Gemini. Okay, channel natin. This is a Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of June. Okay? Ingat sa mga scammers. If in doubt, PM me first. Sa mga lumang clients, alam niyo na ang nag-iisang number natin. Viber, Boat Team, Telegram, even my Gcash. Okay? Gemini. Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of June. Ang mga crystals natin, naka-sale pa rin. Okay? PM me lang. Gemini. Let's see kung ano meron para sa mga Gemini. Offer. Waiting for an offer or tumatansya, kailan ba tamang makipag-usap? Kailan ba dapat bigyan ng another chance tong connection na to? Okay. In the past, nagkaroon ng feeling of defeat para sa inyo because you're expecting na maging maganda sana yung outcome ng relationship. But it feels like same old, wala namang nagbago. Nagkaroon ulit ng disappointment na you're expecting na sana ganito na yung mangyari, pero hindi ganoon. Okay? Sabi ng feminine sa connection na to, napapagod na rin siya. Parang naka-war mode yung feminine sa connection na to. She's trying to heal from this connection, from this situation. At sabi niya is, pare-pareho lang naman, though the feminine like try to make things work out at hinintay niya yung pagbabago or yung ideal situation na gusto niya for this connection, but sabi niya na disappoint lang siya. Sinubukan niyo naman na ayusin to, magkaroon ng harmony, pero kung ano yung hinihintay na offer na pangako, mga kasunduan, I feel hindi pa rin na-deliver. Okay? I feel for most of you, marami kasing pinagkakaabalahan. Ito nga yung lagi kong sinasabi, yung buhay hindi naman lahat puro pag-ibig lang. This is the energy of like nakakaagaw ng time for this connection, yung mga iniisip na financial stability. Sabi ng masculine is hindi din daw siya ready na mag-focus for this connection, kaya sabihin natin medyo madamot sa pagbibigay ng time at pagmamahal sa love connection na to. The masculine also feels unappreciated, na parang may mga effort siyang ginawa for this connection, pero parang hindi naman daw na-appreciate nung feminine yung best niya. Nagkaroon ng sadness, disappointment, kasi pareho kayong umasa na magkakaroon ng magandang outcome tong connection na to, but it feels like walang na-build na something long-term or stable sa connection na to. Okay? Sabi ng feminine, hindi ito yung wish fulfillment niya, hindi ito yung gusto niyang energy, or hindi ito yung dream relationship niya, but manage your expectation. Dream relationship is, yun nga, may pagka fairy tale yung dating, but again, find the balance. Okay? Merong hinihintay na offer of love yung feminine, pero sabi niya parang yung haba ng pinaghintay niya and multiple chances na ibinigay niya sa masculine, parang hindi na niya makukuha yung love na gusto niya from the masculine. Sabi ng feminine, sinubukan naman niyang i-manage yung expectations, napagod na din siya, kaya iniisip ng feminine, bibigyan pa ba to ng another chance or mag-move forward na siya sa bagong love connection. Walang pagbabago, but very strong yung feelings nyo sa isa't isa. And may stubborn energy din, na parang, I don't know if this is like wound from this current connection, or wound from the past connection na parang pagod nang magbigay. Ito yung sinasabi ko lagi, before you enter into a new connection, you heal what's broken, kung ano din yung nasira ng past connection, para hindi na nadadamay yung new connection sa mga traumas and past wounds. Pero kung ito ay galing sa current connection, kailangan pag-usapan kasi hindi pwedeng paulit-ulit na lang, na nagkakaroon ng reconnection, reconciliation, pagkakabalikan, but pare-pareho lang yung ginagawa. So, ano mang nangyayari? Every time na nagre-reconnect kayo, nagkakasakitan lang, alright? So, the reason for the reading is tinapos nyo yung mga worries, anxieties, and binigyan ng new beginning tong relationship na to. But it feels like nagkaroon na naman ng betrayal, backstabbing energy, false promises. Someone is expecting a full commitment no? Nung nagkaroon kayo ng reconnection, reconciliation. Pero yung definition ng love and full commitment, parang magkaiba kayo. Okay? Because pareho kong nakikita dito yung energy na ginawa naman ni masculine ang lahat. Ginawa naman ni feminine ang lahat. Ibinigay naman daw yung todo. But again, dito nagkakatalo, what's the definition of todo? What's the definition of full commitment ni masculine at feminine? Kasi parang magkaiba kayo ng dictionary. Kaya pagdating ng assessment, it feels like parang hindi niya binigay yung lahat. So, i-contest naman ng isa, binigay ko lahat. Hindi mo ba nakita? Ito listahan ng ginawa ko. Alright? So, magkaiba ng definition, magkaiba ng standards. Kaya pagdating sa like expectations, nandun yung disappointment. Okay? So, because of that, recent past, nagkaroon ng feeling of unrequited, unappreciated, unloved. Okay? On both sides. May prayers and manifestations, sabi nung isa, Lord, tama pa ba? Nakausapin ko tong person na to. May energy din na parang, Lord, tulungan mo ko na wag nang i-entertain tong connection na to kung lagi ka namang nasasaktan dito. Okay? And pinagpe-pray nyo rin na sana kung ano yung mga nakatago o yung mga dapat ma-reveal sa connection na to ay ma-reveal na para alam na yung buong katotohanan at hindi na mag-expect at mabigyan na ng conclusion kung kaya pa bang ilaban to or not. Okay? To heal your heart chakra and to have a harmonious relationship with the people around you. Also, to balance your heart chakra, emotional healing, Madagascar Rose Quartz, the pink crystal. Okay? Marami ako nararamdaman ng confusion dito at very Gemini energy, no, na parang nahihirapang mag-decide at nahihirapang mag-commit. Mental clarity and stronger connection with the divine. Amethyst crystal, lahat ng crystals natin, authentic and blessed, cleansed, blessed by the enlightened guide. Okay. Gemini energy, right now, you're tapping in your energy. Alam mo naman yung good and bad side mo, your shadow and your light. Alam mo rin yung mga pagkukulang mo, but may limitasyon lahat ng tao. Okay? And this is also you recognizing kung ano yung mga dapat mo rin ayusin pa sa sarili mo. And you're also being honest kung ano yung kaya at kung ano yung hindi. Okay? For now, sabi ng mga Gemini, nandito sa self-preservation mode. Kung nagkakaroon ng issue sa pera, this is more like nagtitipid, iniingatan kung ano yung pera. Sabi ng mga Gemini, love naman niya ang kanyang person at gusto niyang i-keep ito. Gusto din niya magkaroon ng harmony, but talagang yung definition niyo ng love and commitment, magkaiba kayo. Okay? Sabi ng person ng mga Gemini, yung masculine daw. Okay, the masculine daw sa connection na to, ay may pagka-immature pa, not ready for love, very playful, at kino-question yung loyalty kung meron ba daw ine-entertain na iba. But sabi ng masculine, hindi pa daw tapos ang connection na to, but nahirapan din siya ang taas-taas daw ng standards at hinihiling expectations ng feminine sa connection na to. So, balansehin, okay? Depende sa edad, depende sa maturity. May mga talagang we have to accept na may mga tao na malayo yung maturity and readiness dun sa kung ano yung meron dun sa isang person. Okay? So, merong mga doubt here kung dapat ba talaga perfect time na ba talaga na mag-walk away or bigyan pa ng another chance. Okay? You might be dealing with the Pisces, Gemini also. Yeah. Okay. So, until the end of August, meron ako nakikitang magandang balita para sa'yo at kung ano yung magiging decision mo, nararamdaman kong magiging favorable para sa'yo. Nararamdaman kong makakagawa ka ng tamang decision para sa'yo. Okay? With the Wheel of Fortune and the Justice card, tamang decision. And because of that, i-reward ka ng universe, i-reward ka ni God ng good karma. Okay? The masculine in this connection, I feel both of you gustong to take personal accountability and leadership sa buhay nyo. Kung hindi ready yung isa, then magdi-decide ka kung kaya mo pa, bibigyan mo ng another cycle. Pag hindi na, I feel someone would really move forward at hayaan mo na yung other person na mag-grow up at mag-isip kung kaya na ba talagang mag-commit. Okay? This is not waiting infinitely, but this is like, tingnan natin kung sa pagdating ng time na ready na siya ay nandyan ka pa rin, kung love mo pa rin siya. But not really waiting until, nawala naman tamang direksyon. I feel magpapakiramdaman kayong dalawa, there's an energy here of like really finding the truth and clarity. Conclusion tayo. Makakagawa ka ng tamang desisyon, Gemini. So, kapit lang kung ano yung alam mong tama para sa relationship na to, gawin mo muna. Kung ano yung mga dating false promises, lies, and yung hindi makapag-commit energy, I feel nandito pa rin. So, wala pa ako nakikitang masyadong bagong energy. Let your person grow up. Let your person take personal accountability at ayusin niya, no? Ayusin mo na yung sarili. Pareho kayo. I feel pareho kayong may kailangang gawing personal growth here. And I feel mas uunahin nyo yung sarili, personal growth, kabuhayan, career. Because I feel both of you would try to step back at alamin mo na ano ba talaga yung gusto nyo pareho, what you're ready for, at etong connection na ba to talaga ang para sa inyo, long term ba to? Kasi may nakikita pa rin akong unreadiness to take full responsibility, unreadiness to listen, unreadiness to consider the other person, unreadiness to meet each other halfway, okay? I'm not saying hopeless na to. What I'm trying to say is in the next 3 months, hayaan nyo muna ang bawat isa na makapag-isip. Hindi pa to tapos. In the next 3 months, I feel, kumbaga sa egg, okay? Incubation time to. Kumbaga sa seed na itinanim, as long as nakapag-usap na mabuti, may nakikita akong magandang outcome. It's either if your person would take personal accountability and action na magbago and to clearly communicate, magkakaroon ng magandang outcome to. Reminder lang, kasi kahit naman anong sabihin nating energy sa connection na to, this is a collective reading. Depende to sa magiging decision mo at decision ng person mo kung magiging maganda. But ang nakikita ko dito in the next 3 months, magkakaroon pa rin ng mga possible misunderstanding. At kung paano nyo i-handle yung misunderstanding na yan, yan ang magiging marker ng success or temporary closure ng relationship na to. Okay? Nakikita ko na very strong soul connection to, but kahit kesehodang soul connection yan, ito yung lagi kong sinasabi. Pag binigyan tayo ni God ng blessing, relationship man yan, soulmate man yan, or blessing sa trabaho, 50% of that would be on our free will. Kung hindi natin aayusin to, or very challenging kapag love connection, kasi dalawa kayo na nakakaapekto yung free will nyo dun sa outcome ng situation. So I'm praying na makagawa kayo both ng tamang decision for yourself. Bottom line, unahin ang sarili. This is not about ano yung gagawin ng other person. But for me, this is more about what you're ready for. If magja-jump ka ulit sa connection with this person na hindi ready sa'yo, how ready are you na masaktan? How ready are you to rebuild? Ngayon, kung hindi siya ready, how ready are you to heal yourself? How ready are you to continue life without this person for now? Alright? So let's see in the bonus reading kung may magbabago. Just do what's right, okay? Listen to your intuition. And if you're manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine, protection stone, Madagascar, black tourmaline. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the enlightened guide. Alright? For your personal reading, PM me. Alright? Kailangan natin ng schedule. Medyo challenging for me kapag bigla kayong sumusulpot na parang kabute. At kailangan nyo ng, emergency reading. There's no such thing as emergency reading. Okay? I will accommodate you the best that I can. So, PM lang at ipa-schedule at ipa-book ang reading ahead of time. Alright? And that would be the Gemini reading for the month of June. Happy birthday, Gemini! And yeah, see you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Gemini!